We're gonna go explore SeaWorld. This is the Middle East's first ever marine-based theme park. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my
I
God.
love marine animals.
Look.
Oh,
There's an ocean thingy. Let's go check it out.
What the?
Oh my God, real starfishes. Put your hand in the water. Put your hand in the water.
It's so cold. Put your hand in the water. It's so cold.
Oh God, it's cold.
I can put it.
It has fish pee.
I love the
Fish aquarium. There's an aquarium here. There's a thing called One Ocean over there. I don't know what is that. There's a boat and everything you need.
for water.
We're so excited. Let's go to the next place. Oh my God, we're in a futuristic thing. Let's go there. Should we go there? Oh, wow. Guys, the spooky basement.
Whoa.
Dun dun. I am funny. I am funny. Okay, guys. So yeah, look here. Right now we're in this place. Oh my God, guys! Dolphin show again! We're doing the dolphin show again, like the Georgia, remember? Sit back and enjoy. 10?
10.
10. Wow. It is very good. But I think the Georgia one was better, don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, go watch a Georgia series and you'll know what I mean, right? Go watch and subscribe. Why not? Subscribe is free. We're gonna go underwater right now. Are you excited?
No.
No, why not? It's gonna be fun. Come, let's check it out. Okay, guys, right now we're underwater aquarium. Underwater aquarium. What is here? Nothing. Oh my God, fishes! Oh, it's big. It is big, right, fish?
Anna.
Fishies.
I
Say
thought we
hello.
were gonna go in here.
No. Hi, fishies. Oh my God, it's so deep and far. Is this the world's biggest aquarium? Maybe, because it's never ending. Oh my God, we're in a 3D environment thingy. There's not much fishies to do anything, you know? Okay guys, now we're in the rainforest area.
Does that mean?
It's a rainforest where it rains all the time. Oh my God, it's under the roots of a tree. The macaw. Macaw, macaw. Okay guys, we got food. Let's go. Okay guys, we just ate and look what we found. What are those pearls, Adya?
Flamingos.
Yeah, we got flamingos. Real of them. So close. Wait, is that the world's largest aquarium?
Oh, God.
The world's largest aquarium. Yeah, what is under the water? Let's check. Oh my god, there's seals! It's a seal. Guys, we entered Antarctica region. That is actually very cold. I'm shivering. There's real penguins, by the way. Oh, wow. Look at the penguins. Say bye.
Bye.
Say now, leave properly.
Bye, Fever.
Bye.